Hey all, I was wanting to share something that I learned recently that I thought was really cool. Um, with the remote learning, trying to get my students to complete an assignment. In the past, I would make on Google Classroom, I would make a copy of this for them and have them type it in, but oftentimes where they would accidentally delete something or um, wouldn't be able to type in. And so I was trying to figure out a way that I could lock the screen, lock this, and they could type it in. And I found a way by using slides, Google Slides, instead of Google Docs. So let me show you an example, finished product. This is homework that I have, and this is the one that I want to be working on. So I'm going to show you really quick how to do it. First, pull up a template, and I call mine template, and then you can change your options. If you go to um, page setup, you can make it 8.5 by 11 so it looks like your sheet. And then once you do that, and you can pull up a new slide, and then I'm going to delete everything that's on that screen. Okay, so now I have a blank page that looks just like mine. And here's how I did this. On here, you can use the snipping tool and you can snip your whole document. When I did that, it stretched it a little bit. It was a little bit distorted. So what I ended up doing was making my work a PDF document. And then once I had a PDF document from my phone, I was able to capture a screenshot of it. And for some reason, it just made it look easier. But either way, using the snipping tool, you can do that by just getting the snipping tool and then snip it. So once you have your picture, go in here, and this is the cool part. Click background. Background is going to allow you to lock it so that your kids can't use it. So background, and I'm going to choose my image, and of course my image is going to be the picture that I just did. And homework 29 picture. Click that. When I'm not recording, it goes much faster. There we go. And click done, and there it is. Now what you can do is view. I want to zoom in, and this is what I like. Now the kids cannot touch this. This is a background. Nothing of this can be changed. So now all you have to do is insert a text box where you want your students to insert their answers. And then I shaded mine for the kids so that they could see what they needed to do. So maybe do that. And then you can right here insert text box, and these are going to all be about the same size. So I'm going to make that, nope. And then I'm going to make it so that it's centered. And then I can Control C, copy, Control V, paste it, paste it. And then you can have several text boxes, and then all the kids will do is they put their answers in the text boxes. And so what I did is I made this a template for mine, so I have it on there. And then I'm going to, for homework 29, save just this entire document into its own one and then share it. So then when you share it, you go to your Google Classroom. If you're sharing it on Google Classroom, you can go in there and you can make a copy for each student when you share it as an assignment. And that way they put their answers in. Make sure you do that because otherwise the kids are going to be adding to each other's documents. I hope this helps. This was a really cool one for me, and I was really excited about learning about this, and I hope it helps you too.